What do you got there? A computer desk? Did you make that computer desk?
Yeah. All these markers on here.
Is that your keyboard?
Yeah.
Type something. Is that your mouse? Where's your mouse?
Oh, this is a white paper. How's that there? Is it down here? You can hear that?
Maybe.
It fits! It fits, Dad!
Cool.
And just wait.
I think your monitor fell over. Your TV fell over.
Where? Did it fall over?
Yep, put it back up.
About way? About way?
Not that way, put it on its side.
About side?
Yep. Oh no! Whatever, who needs it?